Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this to your daily update on Bitcoin. Wanted to do a full video on that. We'll cover some economic fundamentals that happened yesterday. We'll go over them. We'll go over the effects that had on the market. But apart from that, we'll just do a full update, right? So we'll talk about everything you need to know. Dollar strength index still strong, but it's actually showing some resistance right now. So the effects of that, and just in general what to expect from Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has been quite bullish yesterday. Broke above the 100 EMA right here, and it's being respected, which is some sort of an indication that, perhaps the trend is actually shifting. The EMAs also were respected over the course of the last 2-3 days, so basically since Tuesday. So there's a lot of bullish momentum, but there also still is a very strong resistance level right here between 26,400 and 26,600. So the big question is, will it break above that? All right, so that's what we'll talk about in this video. Before we dive into the rest, though, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining. The links will be down in the description and the pinned comments. But now let's get into Bitcoin. So first of all, I have absolutely no idea where this bullish momentum is coming from. Like most of you know, my general expectation for Bitcoin in September has been bearish, and it still is bearish. Like technically nothing has happened yet. Technically, Bitcoin is still in this consolidation right here between 26,400 and 25,600. And there's also a lot of resistance right here around 26,600. So you could even perhaps drag that up a bit. And we haven't broken out of this range yet. So technically Bitcoin is still neutral or consolidating. But the thing is that yesterday, for example, we also got some results with the inflation rate, which was higher than expected overall. Which is bearish, usually. Maybe it was already expected that it would be bearish for Bitcoin, so that's why we did not get that move. But overall, the expectation was that we like Bitcoin got some bearish momentum, but not that much. So yeah, the Bitcoin is still strong despite that, and I see no clear reason why. I mean, the dollar strength index is relatively weaker. So that also indicates that perhaps this result was already calculated into the price of the dollar strength index, and therefore it also did not cause that much bearish momentum for Bitcoin. But overall, it's looking very strong. And right now, like I said, Bitcoin still is neutral, but it does look like it will test that level around 26,600 and 26,400. And if it's able to break above that, it will find some resistance at 27,000, but then it is quite likely that more bullish momentum will follow with a move up to this level right here at 27,500 after a bullish break retest off of 26,600 and 26,400. So it's waiting for if Bitcoin is able to get this bullish breakout or not. I would say today and tomorrow there's still a chance that it will do so. If you see the volume dropping down massively, like the volume is already down, but it's still relatively high compared to, for example, also last week. If the volume now drops down like 10-20% over the course of the next 24 hours, and Bitcoin keeps finding resistance at 26,600 and 26,400, yeah, then it's more likely that we'll just fall back down towards 25,600 and stay in this whole consolidation range. And then we'll see. I mean, we're in this consolidation until a breakout is confirmed. Right now, it looks most likely that we'll get a bullish breakout. But like I said, if some other indicators like the volume and stuff start dropping down, then we might have to come back on that. In general, I think it's better to wait for some confirmation right now. The markets are a little bit weird or crazy right now, very volatile. No clear direction yet. So yeah, those are my thoughts on it. That's my analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.